Good day, everyone. Today, let's gonna learn the basic of Tinikling. So we will have to do the step by step. So there's only 5 figures on this Tinikling. Actually, there's kind of variation like doing the waltz for figure 4 and also doing the Kuradang steps on figure 5. Or you can have also the steps on figure 4 by doing the jump step, and on figure 5 you can have it the forward and backward steps. So are you excited? Let's do it! Okay, intro. To prepare for the first figure. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 8, 2, 3. Next is figure 1. Half step. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 8, 2, 3. Second figure, diagonal step. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 8, 2, 3. Next is figure 3. Cross step. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 8, 2, 3. Jump step. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Turn. 5, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 8, 2, 3. Next is figure 5. Forward step and backward step. So this is how to do it. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 8, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's have the arms in lateral position with waltz. The steps is waltz. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Again, steps 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Arms 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3. Let's do it both. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Next is Kuradang steps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it with our arms. Sway balance. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it both arms and feet. Kuradang 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3.